Hiya. Right, I wanted to make a quick video about these heaters. It's a Chinese heater. I got it off eBay for £10, and when I was using it, let me just show you the wires that come out from it, which I've put in myself, right? These come out from it, but the wires that was originally on it, they melted when I had it hooked up to my battery, and they melted my carpet. So I've took it apart and I've put these wires on it for higher amps. So I tried it last night, and I tried it on my portable solar power pack that I've made, and I run it for 50 minutes and the wires just went warm. They was warm at the connections at the socket, but otherwise, yeah, it ran for 50 minutes and the unit itself didn't heat up. But I've had to take it apart and I've had to rewire it up inside with these wires, not just power input and the negative, but the other wires for the switch as well, because it was really dodgy. But I wouldn't recommend buying one of them and just using it outright, because it's too dangerous. If you had that in your camper, it could quite easily set fire, because like I said, melted my carpet. Right, I'll just show you the power pack now that I've made, that I run it 50 minutes off. Okay, so this is it. It's a little bucket container, and it's got a voltage meter on it. It's got a 12-volt socket there. It's got 2 USB ports. Inside is 2 sealed 12-volt 10-amp hour batteries. As you can see, all the wires. You've got the solar controller there. As you can see, charge is going into it. The battery is flashing, that means it's low. The main battery is low. The load battery is completely run out. So the main battery is low, but it's still got charging, because that'll turn orange and then turn off when the battery's empty. So I run it for 50 minutes. This first battery was charged, so I got 50 minutes out of it. But that's it. Painted it a mad colour. Stuck that sticker on for fun. Right, I'll show you the solar panel now. This is a solar panel. It's just stood up on the inside of my window that's in my flat, and it's putting charge in. It's 10 watts, I think, my solar panel. Not much cop really, but yeah. It was overpriced, and if you're going to buy a solar panel for a camper, you want 100 watt at least. Right, so you've seen my portable solar power bank that I made. It ran my heater for 50 minutes and it still had charge in it. Now, it don't get red hot, but it'll warm the camper up. Right, okay, today I'm going to do some more work on the Berlingo, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.